Hey there, history buffs. Today I'm diving into the legacy of one of the most influential figures in human history, Prophet Muhammad. Whether you're a seasoned historian or just curious about iconic personalities, sit tight, because this journey is about to get fascinating. Prophet Muhammad, born around 570 CE in Mecca, wasn't just a religious leader. He was a remarkable statesman, a compassionate guide, and a visionary. His early life was marked by hardship. Orphaned at a young age, he was raised by his grandfather and then his uncle. But it was these challenges that shaped his character, instilling in him a deep sense of empathy and justice. At the age of 40, Muhammad experienced a profound spiritual awakening. The angel Gabriel visited him, marking the beginning of his prophethood. Over the next 23 years, he received revelations that would become the Quran, the holy book of Islam. But Muhammad's impact wasn't limited to spiritual teachings alone. He was a skilled mediator and diplomat. In a time of tribal conflicts, he united the clans of the Arabian Peninsula under a single banner of faith and governance. His leadership was characterized by principles of equality, justice, and compassion, setting a precedent for future generations. Muhammad's character was exemplary in many ways. He was known for his honesty, earning the nickname Al-Amin, meaning the trustworthy. His humility and kindness won him the hearts of many, including those who initially opposed his message. He advocated for the rights of women and the poor, emphasizing the importance of charity and social responsibility. His legacy extends beyond religious boundaries. Muhammad's teachings on governance, law, and ethics have influenced countless societies and cultures. His emphasis on education led to a flourishing of knowledge and culture during the Islamic Golden Age, impacting fields as diverse as science, medicine, and philosophy. But perhaps the most enduring aspect of Muhammad's legacy is his message of peace and unity. In a world often divided by differences, his life serves as a reminder of the power of compassion and understanding. So next time you think about historical figures who changed the world, remember Prophet Muhammad. His legacy is a testament to the enduring impact one individual can have on humanity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring.